Okay, we have a Turbo Chef oven. Yeah, it was given a F3 magnetron error. So got the top off. This right here is one of the magnetrons. There's the other. And I have a 20 amp fuse right there that also. This is a high voltage oven. As you see, there's warning on it at high voltage 4,000 volts. So we're gonna isolate the power, check the magnetrons on it, and we'll go from there. Okay, got the power turned off, disconnected the magnetrons. So we're gonna check the magnetrons here, and that one there, this one, and the fuse. So let's start with the fuse. This is a 20 amp fuse, and it is bad. Got a bad 20 amp fuse. So now we're gonna check the magnetrons, and they should have a resistance of less than 1. So do this one-handed. This one here. Go. Okay. And this side here. And we're at 0. So resistance is less than 1. Magnetrons, resistance are good. Check it again without the continuity. And less than 1. And this side, less than 1. So it's important on these. On top of the magnetrons, there's an FA and an F. Those are important that you hook these wires back up in the right position. Coming off of the filament transformer right here needs to go to FA, and the F comes off of your diode, which is down here, and capacitors. So it's important that you hook those back up in the right location. Alright, next, just to make sure, we're going to check the capacitors, which is here and here. Okay, got the capacitor and the wire disconnected. These capacitors should read about 0.91. So we're here. This side is at 0.92, so this one is good. And the right side, same thing. You see this, go down. There we're at 0.92. So both capacitors are good. So we're good there. We can hook those back up and get a fuse and replace the fuse down there. Get that fuse pulled out. Okay, so the only thing we're finding bad is this 20 amp fuse, so we're gonna get that out and put another one in right here. Okay, amp fuse. That one should be good, but we'll check it just to make sure. Good, have continuity through the fuse. Alright, got everything hooked back up, so we're gonna restore power back on it and fire up. Okay, got the oven powered back up. So we're gonna put it in test mode and check the amp draw on the magnetrons. Just right there, magnetron test. So let's watch the meter. And it should go not high enough. So there's 16 amps. We only got 8. We're gonna have to check a few other things. Okay, we wasn't pulling enough amps. Isolated the magnetrons. Right disconnected. Got the left hooked up. And I should be pulling about 8 amps on this side, and I'm only getting 2. So we're gonna have to replace the magnetron. Okay, oven is just about ready at 500 degrees. And back to the regular menu. And they are ready to cook. The oven's back together. And that's the Turbo Chef oven. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.